All right, guys, so finally, it took me some time to get this video to you, but this Pixel 3, my Pixel 3 now has the Android 10 update, as you can see there. I'm guessing, see, the only thing I see here is the dark mode, navigate your phone with the gestures, additional controls and privacy locations, and quick actions and replies. There's, Night Tech just posted his video that he's going to be doing an extended look at Android 10. But personally, I think that what they've done is pretty much gave it Android 10, added these few things, and I noticed, now I could be wrong, but I noticed that the camera quality on the Pixel 3a greatly improved after installing the update. Now this is the Pixel 3, so I feel like even though they don't list it here, the cameras, in my opinion, have greatly improved. I really feel like they have. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this install, and then, you know, maybe I'll take some sample shots and then show you some video footage or something like that from the cameras, because I think the cameras are greatly improved, man. I think they did a great job with improving the cameras, even though they might not have told us about it. Like, seriously. I see people just kind of excited about dark mode, but dark mode isn't really something that's new. It's just new to the Pixel. However, it does look better. It is nice. And then also the gestures, I'm not even going to use them. I tried to use it for a little bit, but that swiping back and forth, I don't think it's that intuitive. So yeah, there it is, man. Let's get this updated, and maybe I'll show you some sample photos from the Pixel that I've been taking. Let's go. All right, we are back, and here it is. I'm now on Android 10. You can already tell by the way it looks on the outside there. Let's see here. Oh, there's Android 10. And if you change to dark mode, because that's something that people are really wanting to see, dark theme, there it is. And you also have the gestures. I went over this before. You have the gestures, but, you know, predominantly for me, this is solely about just getting in here and changing this to dark theme. That's kind of where I'm at, man. This swiping gestures right here, man, this was a little too much for me. I didn't really like it too much, so I'm sticking with the 2 button. I used it on the Pixel 3a XL, and I just wasn't feeling it like that, man. I wasn't feeling it. Here is, you know, this real quick video, man, on the Pixel 3. I'll show you some photos that I've taken, and I'll take some photos right now, as a matter of fact. I'll go ahead and take some photos, and I'll post them at the end of this video. It's your man Jay. I feel like the cameras have gotten an improvement, but I could be wrong, because they were already really good. So I feel like they got an improvement, though. So I'm gonna take some photos right now, and you know my favorite shot is a portrait shot, so that's what you're going to see. It's your man Jay. Check these photos out, and I'll see you in the next one.